Today we will discuss the internal energy of a gas. Actually, we already know internal energy of any material is defined as sum of kinetic and potential energy of the molecules of that substance. Now, for a gas, I can say EP must be zero. Why for a gas EP is zero? Because there are no intermolecular forces. Since there are no intermolecular forces, so potential in the molecules must be zero. Hence, for a gas, U must be equal to kinetic energy of the molecules. Means for a gas, internal energy is always equal to molecules, kinetic energy of the molecules of the gas. Now, I have to find the kinetic energy. We already know kinetic energy is always equal to 1 upon 2 mc square average. For a single molecule, I will just find what this stands for. Now I will go for the pressure of the gas is given by 1 upon 3 mn upon v c square average, or I can say PV is equal to 1 upon 3 mn c square average, but PV is equal to nkt. So this is 1 upon 3 mn c square average, n is cancelled with n, 3 comes here, this becomes 3 kt is equal to mc square. I want here 1 upon 2 because 1 upon 2 mc square, so this will be 3 upon 2 kt is 1 upon 2 mc square. This means that kinetic energy is equal to kinetic energy, which is equal to 1 upon 2 mc square is equal to 3 upon 2 kt. But this kinetic energy for one molecule only. For one molecule. This is kinetic for one molecule. So kinetic energy for suppose for one molecule is this one, kinetic energy. So I can say internal energy for one molecule will also be that 3 upon 2 kt. But suppose I have to find the internal energy of first 1 mole, then I will find the energy of n moles. So internal energy for 1 mole, internal for 1 mole will be 3 upon 2 kt into Avogadro's number, because in 1 mole there are Avogadro's number. So internal energy for 1 mole, internal energy for 1 mole is equal to 3 upon 2 NaKT, but NaK is equal to R, because we know that K is always equal to R upon Na. Boltzmann's constant is equal to R upon Na, so I can say internal energy for 1 mole is equal to 3 upon 2 RT. So if there are n moles, then if there are n moles, then internal energy is equal to U is equal to 3 upon 2 nRT. So this is the formula for finding the internal energy of the gas, where 3 upon 2 n is number of moles, n is number of moles, R is molar gas constant, and T is the temperature. So I can again repeat this lecture. This is the entire formula for internal energy of the gas is always U is equal to 3 upon nRT. N is number of moles, R is molar gas constant, and T is the temperature in Kelvin. See what I have to first define. First I will define internal energy is equal to the sum of randomly distributed kinetic and potential molecules. So U must be equal to Ek plus Ep of molecules. Now for a gas, Ep must be zero. Why Ep is zero for gas? Because there are no intermolecular forces. So when Ep is equal to 0, it means internal energy is equal to kinetic energy. First I will find the kinetic energy of a single molecule. Its Ek is equal to 1 upon 2 mc square. Let us see what's the value of 1 upon 2 mc square. I have the formula for pressure of the gas. P is equal to 1 upon 3 mn upon v c square. So V comes here, PV is equal to 1 upon 3 mn c square, but PV is equal to nkt, and cancel out. So this is 3 comes here, 3 kT is equal to mc square, so 3 upon 2 kT is 1 upon 2 mc square. So it means kinetic energy is equal to 3 upon 2 kT. So I can write kinetic energy is equal to 3 upon kT for one molecule. This for one molecule. In 1 mole, there are always Avogadro's number of molecules. So I can say for 1 mole, there are Avogadro molecules. So I can say internal energy for one molecule 3 upon 2 k T is equal into Na. Then this the internal energy for 1 mole will be equal to 3 upon 2 Na kT. But we know, I can say this thing, suppose I have this K, Boltzmann's constant K is equal to R upon Na. So it means NaK is equal to R. So I can say internal energy for 1 mole is equal to 3 upon 2 RT. Now internal energy for 1 mole is 3 upon 2 RT. If there are n moles, then internal energy comes out to be 3 upon 2 nRT. So that is the formula for internal energy.